This is CTV News with Angela John.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. Metro Vancouver's parks and beaches are packed today, with many people taking the opportunity to reconnect with friends from other households, despite Dr. Bonnie Henry advising against it. CTV's Ben Milger looks at the psychology of risk for a public deciphering contradicting messages.
Glorious warm rays of sunshine beating down on the south coast means outdoor family time for some and party time for others. But with a record number of hospitalizations and ICU patients fighting COVID, are outdoor get-togethers still allowed?
I feel like everyone's just really lost on what we should be doing.
It's a bit unclear. I would never say anything against Dr. Henry, because I think she's done a marvelous job.
According to public health orders, up to 10 people can gather at a park or beach, but this week Dr. Bonnie Henry advised against it.
Right now, we have a lot of transmission in communities across the province. So what does that mean? Even if we can see people outside our household, we shouldn't right now.
Despite strongly discouraging outdoor gatherings, Dr. Henry stopped short of amending the health order to restrict them, meaning it's up to every individual to gauge the risk and decide for themselves what to do.
At the end of the day, we all need to be self-reflecting on that, paying attention to the subtle messages that we're hearing, and then make our own determination of risk.
Dr. Henry says if people must gather outside, they should keep their distance and wear masks. Safe behavior exhibited by some, but not all.
As human beings, we mirror others' behavior. And so the reality is when we see other people doing things and they apparently to us look safe and healthy, we are more likely to emulate that behavior.
Modeling shows the spike in new cases likely to continue, possibly hitting 2,000 a day by May if nothing changes. How much faith do you have in your fellow British Columbians to make smart choices?
Not a lot.
Personal responsibility isn't huge among the general population.
Right or wrong, Dr. Henry appears to have more faith in us than we do in each other. Ben Milger, CTV News, Vancouver.